Key Managerial Personnel Section 251. Key managerial personnel refers to the senior executives of a company who are entrusted with significant responsibilities for its management and operations. These individuals typically hold key positions and play crucial roles in decision-making and corporate governance. Roles and positions covered. 1. Managing Director, MD. The MD is responsible for the overall management and administration of the company's affairs. They are often the highest-ranking executive, entrusted with strategic planning, policy formulation, and operational oversight. 2. Chief Executive Officer, CEO. The CEO is responsible for implementing the company's strategic vision, managing day-to-day operations, and ensuring efficient performance across all functional areas. They report to the board of directors and execute corporate policies. 3. Chief Financial Officer, CFO. The CFO oversees the company's financial operations, including financial planning, budgeting, accounting, and financial reporting. They ensure compliance with regulatory requirements and provide strategic financial guidance to support business objectives. 4. Company Secretary, CAs. The company secretary is responsible for ensuring compliance with statutory and regulatory requirements, maintaining corporate records, managing board meetings, and advising the board on corporate governance matters. 5. Whole-time Director. Whole-time directors are directors who are in full-time employment of the company and involved in its day-to-day management. They have specific duties and responsibilities as defined by the board and corporate governance norms. Regulatory framework and responsibilities. 1. Companies Act, 2013. The Act mandates the appointment, roles, responsibilities, and qualifications of KMPs, ensuring their accountability and adherence to corporate governance standards. 2. SEBI Regulations. Securities and Exchange Board of India, SEBI, guidelines prescribe additional responsibilities and disclosures for KMPs in listed companies to protect shareholder interests and enhance transparency. 3. Reporting requirements. Companies are required to disclose details of KMPs, their roles, remuneration, and other relevant information in their annual reports and filings with regulatory authorities to ensure transparency and accountability. Importance and contributions. 1. Strategic leadership. KMPs provide strategic leadership and direction to the company, aligning business objectives with stakeholders' interests and driving sustainable growth and profitability. 2. Corporate governance. They play a pivotal role in ensuring compliance with legal and regulatory requirements, maintaining ethical standards, and fostering a culture of transparency, integrity, and accountability within the organization. 3. Stakeholder management. KMPs engage with various stakeholders, including shareholders, regulators, employees, and communities, to build trust, manage risks, and enhance corporate reputation and value.